present about green tea. Let me tell you about the green tea first. Green tea is made from the leaf from Camellia sinensis that have undergone minimal oxidation during processing. Green tea originated in China, and since then its production and manufacture has spread to other countries in East Asia. The scientific name for green tea is Camellia sinensis. The tea plant Camellia sinensis is a member of the Teaceae family, along with an black and oolong tea. It is an evergreen shrub or tree and can grow to height of 30 feet, but it usually prone to 2 to 5 feet for cultivation. The leaves are dark green, alternate and oval, with serrate edges, and the blossoms are white, fragrant, and appear in cluster or singly. Next, what is in green tea? A look at its nutrition fact. Brewed green tea is primarily water, which means it's free of the usual macronutrient found in other food and drink. It doesn't contain any fat, carbohydrate, and protein. It gets its healthy reputation from compounds called catechin, specifically epicatechin, epicatechin-free gallate, epigallocatechin, and EGCG. These catechin have anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and even anti-cancer effect. Therefore, a cup of green tea has around 28 milligrams of caffeine. There can be a lot of variation in caffeine content depending on how the tea was processed and brewed.
Next is the benefits of green tea from traditional perspective. In traditional Chinese and Indian medicine, the practitioner use green tea as a stimulant, diuretic, to promote the excretion of urine, and also astringent to control bleeding and help heal wounds to improve heart health. Therefore, other traditional uses green tea, including treating flatulent gas, regulating body temperature and sugar, promoting digestion, and also improving mental processes. Next is the benefits of green tea for medical uses. The first one is green tea can reduce blood pressure. As we can see, green tea may protect heart health by lowering blood pressure. The researchers has found that drinking green tea can reduce blood pressure, especially for people with high risk of heart disease. It is also can help to decrease inflammation and dilate your blood vessels, which would support healthy blood flow. Next, green tea can help support bone health. This is because green tea can lower your risk of osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is a disease that increases the risk of hip, spine, and wrist fractures, especially for postmenopausal people that have the highest risk of having the osteoporosis disease. Some evidence suggested that the high concentration of antioxidants in green tea can enhance the bone formation and also the protection against bone mass loss.
Now, we will talk about the chemical compound that can be found in green tea. The first one is caffeine. Caffeine will be present in a smaller amounts compared to coffee. It is still contributes to the stimulant effects of green tea. Second one is L-theanine. For L-theanine is an amino acid that works synergistically with caffeine. It provides a calming effect and reducing the jittery feelings often associated with caffeine. The third one is polyphenol. Polyphenol is a various other polyphenolic compounds in green tea. It contribute to its antioxidant. The fourth is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is responsible for the green color of the tea. That's why it is green. It's a potent detoxifier and helps in cleansing the body. And the last one is the most important, which is epigallocatechin gallate, is the most abundant and potent catechin in green tea. It also known for its antioxidant properties.
So there's some homolog series in catechins, for example, epigallocatechins gallate, epigallocatechins, epicatechins gallate, epicatechins, and catechins gallate. Catechins also have its own functional group, which is the 3OH group. It's capable of interacting with the B ring through hydrogen bond. So there's catechins extract in green tea. The catechins gallate can help protect cells from oxidative injuries, while epicatechins can bolstering blood flow and metabolic rate while simultaneously regulating blood sugar levels and promoting muscle protein synthesis. The epigallocatechins gallate in green tea is a class of phytochemicals, and it also can reduce inflammation, aiding weight loss, and preventing certain chronic disease. For catechins in green tea, which is epigallocatechins gallate, it consists of ester of epigallocatechins, which is the most abundant phytochemical in the green tea, and it is potent and free radical scavenger and antioxidant. Also, there's gallic acid. Gallic acid contains two functional groups, which is hydroxyl groups and carboxylic acid group, for several beneficial effects, which includes antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and anti-neoplastic properties. This compound also has been reported to have a very therapeutic activities in gastrointestinal, neurophysiological, metabolic, and cardiovascular. As we know before, there's also caffeine in the green tea, but even though the amount is not as much as catechins, but caffeine is still in there. Caffeine consists of four, that is carbonyl, amine, alkene, and amide. For carbonyl, the role of carbonyl is to destabilize the bond within the carbon chain. Next, for amine are usually used in making azo-dyes and nylon parts from medicines and drugs. While for alkene, like all hydrocarbons, it burns in air to form carbon dioxide and water. And for amide functional group is extremely important for biological molecules. So amides make up the backbone of proteins. And for polyphenols, it consists of phenolic acid, flavonoids, and also stilbene. For phenolic acids, the function of it is including for plant growth, development, and defense. Next, for flavonoids. So flavonoids, it is a secondary metabolites that are very abundant in plants, also in the green tea. So flavonoids, it performs many functions, including regulating cell growth, attracting pollinator insects, and also protecting against biotic and abiotic stresses. Next, for stilbenes. Stilbenes, it have an extraordinary potential for the prevention and treatment of different diseases, including cancer. That's why green tea is good for you.
In conclusion, green tea may have a number of health benefits. For example, it may help weight management, skin inflammation, and type 2 diabetes. Some research has also linked green tea consumption to improve cardiovascular health. Therefore, green tea has one of the highest concentration of antioxidants of any tea. It is also naturally low in calories and contains less caffeine than black tea and coffee.